In a world where cybersecurity is a paramount, Cisco presents a unique opportunity to become an ethical hacker with our free comprehensive course. Welcome to Cisco's Ethical Hacking and Penetration Testing course. Let's take a closer look at what you will learn. This course is divided into the 10 modules, each designed to equip you with the skills necessary to protect against cyber threats. So here was the website Cisco Network Academy. You can choose a resume course and start your course here, and it's free. 70 hours of time of this course and intermediate course. 34 labs are available and self-placed course and achievements are here. All the achievements, information gathering, social engineering attacks. This is the achievements. Introduction to ethical hacking and penetration testing. You will dive into the fundamentals of ethical hacking, understanding the mindset of hacker and the importance of ethical hacking today's world. Second was the planning and scoping, penetration testing assessment. Learn how to plan or define your objectives and scope penetration test project effectively. Third was the information gathering and vulnerability scanning. Discover the art of collecting crucial data and scanning for vulnerabilities in a system. Fourth was the social engineering attacks. Understand how social engineering can be used, manipulate people, and gain unauthorized access. Module 5, exploiting wire and wireless network, mastering the techniques for exploiting network vulnerabilities, both wired and wireless. 6 was the exploiting application-based vulnerability. Learn how to identify and exploit vulnerability in applications. 7 was the cloud, mobile, and IoT security, exploring the challenges and solution for securing cloud, mobile, and IoT device. 8 was the performing post exploitations techniques. Dive deep into post exploitation activities and maintaining access to compromised system. Module 9 was the reporting and communications. Learn how to communicate finding effectively and create a detailed report for stakeholders. Last but not least, module number 10, tools and code analytics. Discover the tools and techniques used by ethical hackers for code analytics and vulnerability assessments. After completing the modules, you will put your skills into the test in a challenging final capstone activities, and finally prove your mastering with the ethical hacker course final exam. Upon a successful completion, you will receive a certifications and badge showcasing your expertise to potential employer. Here was the certificate of course completions. I have completed my ethical hacker course, and here was the certification. You can verify my tag badge. Okay. Join us on the exciting journey to become an ethical hacker and protect the digital world. Cisco's free course is your gateway to rewarding career in a cybersecurity. Don't miss this opportunity. Enroll now and unlock your potential with Cisco Ethical Hacking course. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.